What's happening, traders? It's Mark here at DynoTrading. Let's get into it, guys. Emini futures trading. We're talking about it. And what an incredible day to trade the Emini futures today. I'm going to show you this beautiful sell-off that printed at exactly 9:26 a.m. But first things first, guys. So yesterday I had posted a video teaching you guys how to flip to a smaller time frame chart. Okay, if you remember, we talked about all the incredible advantages that a smaller time frame chart can provide you, along with the incredible risk to reward profile that are kind of automatically built into those smaller time frame charts. Okay, so if you haven't watched that previous video, I highly recommend you go watch that video before coming back to this one. But sticking with that theme, guys, all right, this is how it played out today. On the E-mini futures, you can say it was a beautiful day for trading the E-mini futures. Really for trading anything, Forex, futures, stocks. Look, guys, I warned you, I've been repeatedly warning you that this month and the next month are the best calendar months for trading the E-mini futures markets, okay? And what you see on the screen right now is the volume indicator layered on top of this E-mini futures trading chart, okay? This happens to be the S&P 500, which is not necessarily my favorite, but I do know a lot of you guys out there love trading the S&P 500 E-mini futures. It's a very popular symbol, okay? I get it. A lot of you guys are trading it. So listen, folks, this right here proves my theory of flipping to a smaller time frame, all right? You can really manage your risk very well while participating in incredible moves. Let me show what I'm talking about. So this volume indicator, what it does to the E-mini futures chart is it will overlay volume bands on top of the chart, okay? Whenever the band turns green, it's time to think about bullish, aka long opportunities. You want to be a buyer. And whenever it turns red, you flip that around. You want to think about short opportunities. You want to be a seller. Make sense? So look, I'm going to timestamp the market open. All right. This blue vertical line is the exact moment in time when the market opened. All right. And we already started red. Okay. So one of the things I have to tell people is that when you get to your trading workstation and a trend, right? If the volume indicator is already indicating that a trend is underway, in this case, a bearish trend is underway, there's nothing you can do. You miss it, you miss it. But remember, on the smaller time frame charts, especially on the E-mini futures trading charts, you're going to see a lot of trends, okay? So not even 20 minutes later, we get a nice long signal right there, okay? And that rips for a few bars. Maybe we get to break even. We certainly didn't lose on this trade. We definitely got to break even, okay? And 30 minutes after that, we now get a short signal. Why? Because the volume indicator turned red at this exact moment in time, right? So you'd close out your long and reverse yourself and go short. And by the way, this happened at 9:26 in the morning. Just so you guys know, and I know some of you heard me say this before, there is so much opportunity in the morning session, okay? I respect those of you that trade round the clock. If you want to trade after lunch, if you want to trade overnight, there's nothing wrong with that. In fact, I'm going to show you the overnight session from today. It was insane. Okay, but all I'm saying to you is that if you're trading the E-mini futures markets, it's not necessary to trade all day long. Okay, there's a lot of people who just trade the morning session and they are done with their trading by lunch. It's the best feeling in the world, okay, to just be done with your trading by lunch, make a bunch of money before you step out for lunch and grab a meal and just do other stuff with your life. Okay, after lunch. Again, I'm not saying you have to, all right? Everybody is free to trade however they want. All I'm saying is it's a very luxurious experience being able to wrap up your trading by lunch. And specifically, just trading the morning session, I have found, is where a lot of the action is. All the big guys, all the smart money, they are accumulating and distributing positions in the morning. I'm not even sure that they are trading. I'm not even sure the big guys are trading the E-mini futures markets after lunch, okay? So anyway, as you can see here, 9:26 a.m., nailed a beautiful 200 tick winner. All right, literally using nothing other than volume. Let me also show you the overnight session, guys. All right, for all you guys that either are up late and you like trading the overnight hours, or specifically people that are in other countries like Australia, the United Kingdom, etc. Bro, check this out, man. Look at this crazy overnight session on the E-mini futures markets. Let me go ahead and try to timestamp midnight. It's right over there, all right? I mean, look at this, man. 250 ticks straight down. There was no retracement at all, right? Just destroying people that tried to bottom call, or people that were bottom fishing here on the S&P, right? And then right over here, the volume band turns green. Wouldn't you know it, right on the nose, the market goes straight up for another 100 ticks. Guys, I'm telling you, volume does not lie. Again, to my knowledge, if you're trading the E-mini futures markets, okay, I'm not seeing anything that works as good as volume, right? This is technically 2 trading sessions on the same day. Here's E-mini futures trading from the overnight session, and here is E-mini futures trading from the morning session. In both instances, we were able to capture an astonishing 400 tick winner following nothing more than a simple volume band color change. Does this make sense, guys? For all you guys who are fussing around with your confusing, cluttered Japanese candlestick charts, or your Bollinger Band nonsense, your RSI, your stochastics, just forget it, man. You're wasting your time. Again, this is my opinion. It's because I don't believe in like these free indicators that are included with, charts. If you want to master, okay, not just learn, but master how to trade the E-mini futures markets, I'm telling you, man, you have to learn volume. And the beauty about this is my volume indicator is going to do all of the dirty work and the heavy lifting for you. It's going to figure out when the volume bid and ask pressure, this is called level 1 data, shifts from bearish into bullish. And it will also figure out that level 1 data on where it shifts from bullish into bearish. As you can see right here, nailed it. 9:26 a.m. Guys, this is going to happen on a daily basis over the next 3 months. Mark my words, you've heard me say this before, okay? Using volume to speculate in the markets is going to be epic. I'm telling you, it's going to be epic. It's going to be legendary. So for all of you guys that have the vol, I hope you killed it today. For everyone who saw the video yesterday, I hope you had a chance to follow my suggestion here and experiment with flipping your E-mini futures chart down to a smaller time frame. This is the result. This is today. This has not been cherry picked. This is live from today. And guys, this was a thing of absolute beauty. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.